It's the 22nd of December. We still have our cold, kind of cloudy gray weather. I'm out where I think the sandbar has been the last couple times I came out, except for this time I think it's exposed. Here's where the channel of water usually was. I think this is the sandbar anyway. It's sure breaking up the waves a little bit. I was just standing out here a moment ago and the wave came in. I wasn't paying attention. The wave came in and it came up all the way to my ankles. So pretty cool. I hope this is the sandbar because that means it stays around here a little while. And Lee really liked playing on it. You can see it's still gray. It's about 59, 58 degrees out. Just before Christmas. So there are some people around. But lots of waves. Not really beach type weather, but there's sandbars, so that's fun.